In this video, I will show you how to enable Clipboard on Windows 11. To do this from your desktop, what you want to do is come down to your search box in the taskbar at the bottom, and in here you want to type Settings. Underneath Best Match, you should see your Settings app come up. Give it a click, and that's going to open up your Windows computer settings. What you then want to do is come over to this menu on the left-hand side and click onto System. From the System section, scroll down, and you should see an option on here for Clipboard. It's just quite a bit down the page down here. Give that a click. That's going to take you into your Clipboard settings. What you want to do at this point is come up to the top and enable Clipboard History by turning the switch on here. You can now view your Clipboard history by holding down the Windows logo key and V on your keyboard, which is going to bring up your clipboard. And as you can see, you can find your entire history, and of course you can use this to copy and paste things. So that is how to enable Clipboard on Windows 11. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more simple Windows and tech tutorials. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.